We think making money is about physics or math, but actually, it's entirely a game of behavior. Ronald Reed was an ordinary janitor, but when he died, he had $8 million in his account. No lottery, just simple behavior. On the other hand, big Wall Street executives go bankrupt despite earning millions. Because in finance, it's not your IQ, but your ego control that matters. The biggest mistake? Thinking rich and wealthy are the same. Rich is your current income, what is seen, cars, houses. But wealth is invisible. It is the money you haven't spent. Wealth is your future options and freedom. Spending money to show people how much money you have is the fastest and surest way to have less money. Warren Buffett's secret isn't his intelligence. His secret is time. 99% of his net worth came after his 65th birthday. This is compounding, or the snowball effect. At first, results seem small, but if you have patience, it becomes massive at the end. The hardest part of investing isn't picking stocks. The hardest part is sitting still and letting compounding do the work. Getting rich and staying rich are two completely different skills. Getting rich takes risk, but staying rich takes paranoia. Your main goal should be survival. Only if you can survive bad times without going broke will compounding show its magic. Always keep a margin of safety. That means having a backup plan for when things don't go according to plan. The man in the car paradox. When you drive an expensive car, you think people respect you. But people are actually looking at the car thinking, I wish I had that. They don't even see you. You cannot buy respect with expensive things. True respect is earned through humility, kindness, and empathy. The highest dividend money pays is freedom, being able to wake up in the morning and say, I can do whatever I want today. Money isn't just luxury. Money means the power to say no to a boss or job you don't like. Saving money doesn't mean an investment return. It means sleeping without worry at night. This is priceless. Luck and risk are two sides of the same coin. Acknowledge the role of luck in your success and the role of risk in others' failure. Don't judge anyone too quickly by results. Sometimes good decisions can have bad outcomes just because of bad luck. Save money for no specific reason, because the future is uncertain and emergencies don't announce their arrival. It doesn't matter how much you earn. What matters is your savings rate. It is possible to save more even with a lower income. Savings is your income minus your ego. You can only save money if you stop trying to impress others. You must know when is enough. Greed has no end. Fix your own finish line, otherwise the race will never end. If you can't sleep at night after investing, you've taken too much risk. Passing the night sleep test is crucial before any decision. In finance, long tails or big events are everything. You can be wrong many times, but being right just a few times in life is enough to win. No one is crazy. People make money decisions based on their own life experiences. What seems foolish to one might be the only hope for another. Be a sensible optimist. Believe that in the long run, things will be good, but accept that there will be danger in the short run. It's foolish to think that what hasn't happened in history won't happen in the future. The biggest economic events always come as surprises. Keeping all money in cash is not safe. The silent killer called inflation reduces your money's purchasing power every year. Accept that you will change. What you want at 20, you won't want at 40. So keep your financial plan flexible. Market volatility isn't a fine, it's the fee for getting good returns. Be prepared to pay this fee. Don't try to time the market. What matters more than when you enter or exit is how long you stay in the market. Pessimism sounds smart, but optimism makes money. Don't panic by listening to bad news. Compounding is beyond our brain's understanding. Folding a paper just 42 times would reach the moon. Don't ignore small beginnings. You don't always have to be rational like a robot. Be reasonable like a human. If paying off debt brings peace, forget the math and do it. Showing status with money is like a peacock, beautiful but weak. Build quiet and strong wealth like a lion. The real job of money is to gift you the remote control of your life, so you can decide what to do and when. The economy and market always move in cycles, boom and bust. This isn't a bug, it's a feature of the system. Don't be afraid. Don't invest by watching others. A day trader's game and a long-term investor's game are completely different. Which is your game? If you have money, be even more humble. People will remember your behavior, not your money. Nothing in the world is free. The price of a happy and secure future is discipline and patience today. Comparison is the thief of joy. Look at your own progress instead of looking at others. Capitalism is tough, but wealth is attracted like a magnet to those who have patience and follow the rules of money. Remember, the ultimate goal of money isn't just to be rich. The ultimate goal is to be independent. Keep investing simple. Complex plans don't mean higher returns. Often, the simple path gives the best results. In summary, 1. Keep wealth hidden. 2. Wait for compounding. 3. Survive at all costs. And 4. Buy freedom. Change your financial mentality and your life will change. BrainVas is with you. Subscribing is free for you, but it's a very valuable investment for us. Support us. Share this video to help your friends build the right mindset for becoming wealthy too. Every expense is a choice. Your future depends on these small choices today. Choose wisely. Thanks for watching.